When I went to school, maybe some of you can remember as well, school was the safest place for the kids to be. Every morning, they would say, the pledge of allegiance to the flag. Then we had a principal at our school. His name was Mr. Walker. And he would say the Lord's Prayer. But things have changed now. But we need to go back. We need to go back to some of the old ways. And I believe if I could get Danny Thomas and Willie Floyd to help me now.
We need to put prayer back in the school and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right. We need to put prayer back in the school and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right. We need to put prayer back in the school and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right.
When we had prayer in the school, there was peace in the hallways. There was peace in the classroom too. And the teacher taught us the golden rule. Do unto others as you have unto you. But I believe we put prayer back in school. It will be all right. Oh Lord,
We need to put prayer back in the school
yes Lord.
and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right. We need to put prayer back in the school
Yes Lord.
and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right.
America had a hedge of protection around her, around the schools, around the whole nation. But when it took God out of school in the nation, destruction came in the land and country. Whenever you take God out, Satan come in. I wish I had a witness, but we put God, He'll put the hedge of protection right against again. Oh, we need to
We
put.
need to put God back in the school
Can I get a witness?
and obey the golden rule.
I tell you,
It will be all right. It will be all right. We need to put God back in the school
showing up, Lord.
and obey
Oh,
the
what a
golden rule. It will be all right.
Oh, Lord.
It will be all right. We need to put God back in the school and obey the golden rule. It will be all right. It will be all right. We need to put God back in the school and obey the golden rule.